Hi, we're Jerry and Jolene.
Good morning.
We live full-time in this Integra Aspire motorhome.
And loving life on the road.
Absolutely. We spent some time in South Dakota.
Yes, we picked up another state.
How about that?
How about that?
Another one in our journeys. And the Black Hills of South Dakota is an exceptional area to visit.
Absolutely beautiful.
Yes, it is.
So much to go and do and see.
Our number one bucket list item was visiting Mount Rushmore National Monument.
Absolutely.
Yes, it was.
And we did, not only once, but twice.
But twice. We went there twice. The second time we were a bit more prepared for a hike to the base of the mountain.
And to just slow down and really enjoy the area and explore it.
Yes. And enjoy we did.
Yes, we did.
So we hope you enjoy this video of our time at Mount Rushmore.
If you like it, give us a thumbs up.
How about subscribing to the channel and leaving a comment?
We love sharing our adventures with you guys, and really, every day is adventure, whether they're good or bad or in between. We're still loving it.
Absolutely. So, let's go. We spent a week in Hermosa, South Dakota at the beautifully maintained Heartland RV Park. This is a great location to explore the southern half of the Black Hills. There are many interesting attractions in this area, but number one must be Mount Rushmore National Monument. The monument was only 27 miles from the RV park, and oh my, what a beautiful drive on US 16A. We drove over several bridges like this one. They are called pigtail bridges, as they direct traffic in a corkscrew fashion. Very interesting indeed.
What do you think?
This is a great day to be here.
Absolutely.
The lighting is excellent. The
It's a
temperature is low. Perfect day.
perfect day.
This is the view from Gutzon Borglund's Sculptor's Studio, where his scale models are on display. If you walk this circular trail in a clockwise direction, this is the most challenging elevation climb. It's really not that bad. A great way to end our visit to the monument. Huckleberry ice cream. As you have noticed, the cloud cover was quite variable throughout the day. I like this picture, but the sky is so washed out, so I decided to have a little fun and do a patriotic sky replacement. Here's an appropriate quote from Gutzon Borglund, the sculptor of this magnificent monument. A monument's dimensions should be determined by the importance to civilization of the events commemorated. Let us place there, carved high, as close to heaven as we can, our leaders, their faces, to show posterity what manner of men they were. Then breathe a prayer that these records will endure until the wind and the rain alone shall wear them away. Gutzon Borglund, 1930. After our visit to Mount Rushmore, we drove to Custer, South Dakota for dinner at a very fine brewery. We arrived just before the rain.